beautiful new foundation, Dolce & Gabbana, recently released. 07 Neutral Light might be more or less my shade. I bought it from Dolce & Gabbana website. It is an Everlast foundation, 24-hour full coverage, 3D matte, no transfer, sunscreen, broad spectrum or SPF 20, made in Italy. It is an all-day control waterproof. So we're going to see, my friends, since I have a very sensitive type of skin. It is the Black Rose Precious Face Oil. It is an anti-aging product. I've been using this product, to adjust my foundation depending if I want a hint of moist, okay? So I'm going to apply 1 drop on my glass plate. This is from Scott Barn. And I'm going to apply 1 and 2 drops. I'm going to mix very well. So I want to see what is going to be the effect with the precious oil and without. BK Beauty brush is the 101. I'm going to pack on my brush and I'm going to start from the center where it is the main problem of my redness, okay? I love it. I had a very neutral undertone. Oh wow, 1 drop on my plate. It is providing a beautiful, glowy, natural effect to the face. Super natural. So now we're coming to the other side and I'm going to apply 1 drop, 1 pump. We're speaking about Dolce & Gabbana, the new formula they launched. As you see, the texture on this foundation is extremely creamy, okay? And on this side, I noticed that with a tiny little bit, you can go a long way. So let us start from the area where I have my blemishes. So this side is the foundation by itself with nothing underneath. And this side is applying the beautiful drops from SISLEY Paris and the foundation. I can see, of course, on this side I have better coverage, and on this side it's not providing a full coverage, as you can see, but if happen you have dry skin, friends, this is highly recommended for the purpose. I'm super impressed, friends. This is the final touch. The foundation by itself. So what do you think? I can see on this specific foundation, friends, it is beautiful glow. Doesn't set completely matte, which was my fear. Doing Shade and Illuminate, the TCO Silk from Tom Ford had a cool tone shade or undertone and had peachiness, okay? So this one is mainly to conceal my horrendous dark circles. So when I apply this shade first, friend, I go really slowly without emotions because I want actually for this product to grip into my skin. The formula is super kind. That's the first shade because this is only for correction, okay? And now I'm going to be using ON0 Blanc. This one is for illumination. So this one, friends, is going to be applied more or less, right, in a triangle way. Because you want to concentrate the lightest of the shade, you know, on the center of your face. Before the application, you need to make sure that you don't have any creasiness from the first shade, friends. So here we go. Here tapping very carefully because I want to make sure I'm not going to disrupt, right, the first application, friends. Remember the importance of not bringing the foundation close to your eye area is because the most product you have on the eye area, the most texture we are going to produce. That is more or less how it is, even though in this area look very illuminated, but that is what exactly we want. Okay, I'm going to let it set just for a few seconds and I will be back with the application of the powder. So now, my friends, using Makeup Forever, the HD Micro Finishing Losing Setting Powder, I'm going to grab and use a fluffy brush, as it is this brush from MAC. I'm going to be listing all of the product, including the brushes I'm using. So I want to pat the excess, and carefully I'm going to start applying the product everywhere I place the concealer, okay? So make sure that you don't pack really much of the powder on your brush, okay? Just good enough to set. I won't apply the powder in my whole face, friends, because I want to keep this beautiful glowy finish. It's unbelievable. Then the Everlast foundation from Dolce & Gabbana, it is stunningly amazing. I have more dry than a combo of skin depending on how I feel, and I was really concerned that the product was going to set really matte on my skin, but it didn't. Actually, I'm observing in both angles. I have big mirrors on both of my sides, and what I observe, friends, is a beautiful glowy finish. Very pretty. Had a blurring effect. I can see myself using this foundation really often, friends. It couldn't be a better occasion to demo this stunning product. Falling in love already, friends. 7 Neutral Light. It is my shade. I really love it. It matches with my neck. In love with this product, friends. We're going to proceed with the application of my beautiful Carolina Herrera. Finally, I decided to put my beetle there. It couldn't be more cute. It's so beautiful, friends. So using my bronzer 20 medium, I'm going to use the brush that comes on the palette, and I'm going to do the application. Remember, the outer corner of your eye is going to be your imaginary line, that you don't pass the bronzer or contour further than this line, okay? On my channel, friends, you're going to find everything about beauty. You will be finding everything about product, demo, tutorials. I feel like I'm using some of my Dolce & Gabbana lashes. I have these two shades. One is more is more pink and the other one is more peachy. This one. I'm going to show you the three of them. It is in between. And I love it because it's very soft pink shade. I'm going to provide a swatch of all of these shades so you can see. So you have joyful peach, cheerful pink, and hopeful rose. So I'm going for the very first shade, delicate, fine airbrush finish. I'm going to use the face powder brush from BK Beauty, the 103. You will see why I picked this. So we keep maintaining the luminosity on the center of the face. And I didn't mention, friends, that for my lips, meanwhile, I work on the process of the makeup look. I did apply a tiny little bit lip volumizer from La Mer, shade clear. The face is done. Using Dolce & Gabbana, the Everlast foundation. The feedback and last word regarding everything we did on the face. The foundation, friends, if you have dry skin, because this specific foundation, it is in the category of matte, but a matte that maintains a 24 hours hydration. The ingredient and the infusion on the product produce a stunning, beautiful comfort on your skin. Oh my, doesn't enhance the texture, had a blurring effect. My face feels extremely moisturized. Unbelievable, friends. I was not really convinced, but one of my subscribers told me that she got this foundation for her birthday, and I was kind of curious because she says that some people with dry skin, was giving and providing amazing feedback. So I proceeded and I bought it. Her name is Lisa. Hi, Lisa. She's an amazing, beautiful soul, Lisa Bjork. I hope that I'm pronouncing your last name correctly. And this is the final touch using Dolce & Gabbana 01 Blush Hopeful Rose. I'm very happy. And thank you again, Lisa. In general, my loves, I love the production of Dolce & Gabbana. I got as well the mascara Everfull XL mascara. We're going to use it on the next segment. For my lips, I need a nude lip crayon from Natasha Denona in shade Lion. It's a very neutral rose or neutral pink, very beautiful. This color of eyeliner normally match with many shades. And for my lips, first time, Blaze of Noon from Gucci. You are not going to believe this, but I have two of them. I got the first one last year, limited edition, Blaze of Noon. Is a gorgeous pinky, pink mauve shade. Look at that. Satin. The hydration in this Gucci lipstick, friends, is one of my favorite formulations. Satin finish, very pretty. It's a very neutral shade, not too much. And you won't believe I never use brushes for my lips except for my fingers. If happen you want to enhance a little bit of volume, this is what happened, okay? So final thoughts of all of the product that I use, including this stunning illuminator from Dolce & Gabbana from the line Devotion. I did use this universal shade, friends. It's a champagne. It's so pretty, friends. Look at this. I did apply it a little bit in the cupid bow of my lips, on the bridge of my nose, and now with my finger, because this product is mine, I don't need it, friend, because I do have luminosity all of this area. I hope that you can observe, but I'm going to apply it a little bit here, okay? It's so natural, see? Wow. I hope that you can see the detail I'm seeing right now. It's beautiful, beautiful powder, friends. And I keep it here on the little sack. Inside, I do have this beautiful brush. Look at this. This, friends, is going to be the first segment of this video. I try to don't make it long. I try to make it as efficient as possible, friends, showing you the pros and cons of the product I already placed on my face. And this base is going to be for the next segment. I'm going to be working, friends, and I'm going to give you a little, advance on the news. It's going to be the turn of using this palette. Et Regarde Moi 888 from Guerlain Ombres G. Wow. So I'm going to be playing with this baby. So stay tuned, stay with me, because I'm coming with a lot of things that we are going to try, including the new mascara from Dolce & Gabbana, friends, because I'm very curious to see the performance on this product. But so far, friends, I highly recommend this Everlast foundation. Wow. The nurturing infusion make a whole difference in a product, and that is no doubt. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to my channel, friends, as I'm always going to be telling you the truth and nothing but the truth regarding the product performance. Nothing like me with the type of skin that I have. I have a very sensitive skin. But thank you so much. As I say goodbye for now, and I'm coming right away to the second segment, which is going to be the eyes. Thank you so much. I hope that this part of the segment is helpful if you are thinking to invest in a product like this. For the quality of the product that we are buying is really, really inexpensive. And thank you so much, and enjoy your day playing with your makeup. Enjoy this segment, friends. I kindly invite you to stay with me as I'm coming and proceed, and I'm going to give you a beautiful holiday makeup look. If happen you have this palette and you don't know how to use it, or as I did a similar makeup look before, how we can accomplish a palette like this, okay? And I'm coming with comparisons as well, as it is Guerlain Ombres G by Pucci, okay? So thank you very much. I love you all. I hope that you stay well, please. Bye.